Good day to one and all present here. I, Snehal Bhonde from Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School, would like to take an opportunity to present before you the information on International Mountains Day 2020. Mountains, a major part in our scenery drawing. Today, the 11th of December, is celebrated as International Mountains Day. Mountain biodiversity is the theme of the year 2020's International Mountains Day. So let's celebrate the rich diversity as well as address the threats they face. Mountains loom large in some of the world's most spectacular landscapes. Do you know why mountains matter? Mountains cover over a quarter of the Earth's land area, a home to almost a billion people and a quarter of the world's land animals and plants. They provide us about a 70% of the world's fresh water. Now, you know why mountains matter to everyone. But did you know mountain people are among the world's most hungriest and poorest? Climate changes, melting glaciers, and threatening mountains, making them more vulnerable to disasters which have impacts on soil. To safeguard our mountains and our future, let's reduce our carbon footprints. Be mindful of our mountains. So, today, on the occasion of International Mountain Day, our teachers will brief you on the information about the other landforms along with mountains.
Good day, children. Myself, Mrs. Rohini Sole. Today, on the occasion of Mountain Day, we are going to study more about different types of landforms. First one, mountains, valleys, then desert, plains and plateaus. So let's study more about mountain. Any mountain can look impressive in a photo because of its massive size and beauty. We have put together a list of mountains that are famous for their climbing history, unique shape, and impressive size. So, first upon, there is Mount Everest, which one is situated in Himalayas. Then Mount Fuji, it is in Japan. Then Table Mountain in South Africa and Matterhorn in Italy. Mount Everest. It's the Earth's highest mountain above sea level. It is located in the Mahalanga Himal subrange of the Himalayas. Its elevation of 8,848.86 meter was most recently established in 2020. So second one is hills. India is known for its rich cultural heritage and the following mesmerizing valleys in India are a means of pride and identity. The valleys in India plunge thousands of feet and are arguably all arguably the most spectacular in the world. First one, Kashmir Valley, then Parvati Valley, which one located in Himachal Pradesh. Children, let's learn more about Parvati Valley. It is situated in Kulu Manali, stretching from Bhutan to Spiti. During summer, the Parvati Valley is perfect for camping. Then deserts. First one, the Thar Desert, Jaisalmer, Bikaner. So children, deserts in India offer some of the most spectacular landscape with the endless sheets of glittering sands forming different shapes across the landscape. The deserts of India deserve a shout out. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. is the 17th largest desert on earth. A major part of the Thar desert is in Rajasthan. Next, plains. In a valley, a plain is enclosed on two sides, but in other cases, a plain may be distributed by a complete or a partial ring of hills. Next landform is plateau. There is Deccan Plateau. It extends over 8 Indian states and comprises a wide range of habitats covering parts of Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So students, I hope you all understood the knowledge we have shared with you. The importance of mountains, plains, hills, valleys, deserts and plateaus, as they all play a vital role in our life and in our environment. Thank you.